Hi, in this video we'll learn how to create a function in Oracle. In Oracle, to creating a new function in the database user, the syntax is create function name and then the value it's returning, right? So here we are taking the example of city master. What we'll do, we'll pass the city code to this function and it will return the city name to us. So we have one master in the name of slmst city in the database. We already have this. So this is city code, city name is here. So what our function will do, it will, we'll pass city code to this function and it will return us the city name. So here we have defined 1 2 3 4 5 and these are the city names, right? So the syntax for creating new function is create function name, say get city name is city name is a function name. The parameters we are will pass to this function, say we are in our case we are passing city code to this, so we can give anything like city cd, and that city cd is whether it's varchar or number. So in our case it's number, then return the value it should return. So in our case it's when we are passing city code to the function and it's returning city name, so in our case the value the return value should be varchar. This is the end. So here this is a procedure, this is a function body where we can write our statement. So here we can like in simple statement we can write like this. See, nm will take city name for city name and it should return varchar. See, we are taking this 100, right? So we are writing simple statement, select city name from slmst city where city code equal to this city code, the variable we are passing to the function, right? City set. This select statement should return some value in some field into nm, right? So here we are writing select city name into nm from city where city code equal to city cd. City cd is the value we are passing to the function. Now here, as we know the function should return a value, so here we need to write return, say nm. So this is the procedure to create a new function. Now we'll create this function here in the database. I'm already connected to the database user, so I'll open a new procedure window, write this, I'll execute this. Some error is here. Sorry. So this is a syntax to create a function. What we'll do, we'll execute this now. Now the system has created this function, so we should use create or okay. First I'll show you like this function is already created in the database. Get city name. Get city name. This is showing cross mark. It means we have some error in this function, so we'll rectify those errors. So we'll go back to our window. So now we have to write this create or replace. So what this function will do, I mean this line will do, it will replace this existing function with new functionality. So here now this function is created in the database. So what we are doing in this, we have written this line select city name from city master where city code equal to this. Now we'll check how to execute this function, right? We'll go back to the main window. Now here in schema browser you can see the city function is created. We'll compile this. Sorry. Well, now this is executed, right? So it means we don't have any error in our function. Now to check the value of the function, we'll write select function name was get city nm from dual, right? Here we'll write the value we are passing. Say I'll pass 1. So this is returning Chennai, right? Now we'll check this slmsdct. What is the value for code number 1? So here we can see city code 1 is showing Chennai, right? Now we'll pass say 18. So it's showing Russia. Here we can see this showing Russia. So this is the simple example to create a new function in a Oracle database. We can create complex function as well. Like for example, you can see here I have given the very simple example. Here we can see we already have so many functions in the database which are created by us. See this small function is there which is returning the order balance quantity. We are passing booking number and truck number to this function, and this is returning the balance quantity of. So here we have written like multiple queries. Then after queries we are adding those fields, and then at last this is returning this value. So to check the value of this function, we'll pass two variables. We need to take care of the variables we are passing. We are passing two values, and this is returning the single value. So here we are passing booking number and truck number to this function, and this is returning the number balance quantity of that booking, right? And this is the process to check the value of any function. From dual we can check the value of any function. Like here I have given this get city name, and I'm passing the variable to that function, and it's returning the value. Thank you.